Hello, Fox Kingdom. It's King Foxy Fox here, and we will be playing some more Clash Royale. I don't know why it's only this way, but it's okay. Okay. We're gonna open this. Whatever. Money. Arrows level 3. Bomber level 1. Just kidding. It's going down. It's not completely going, but videos. Oh my god. Baby sister's crying. Yay. So the only thing to make it get better is updating your guys. But that eventually happens over time, so this game's not that hard. Hard to get it too. It won't let me go in landscape mode, but whatever. Come on, P.E.K.K.A. What about this? Fireball, take out that one. Need a bomber. Oh, the musketeer, come on. Ah, come on, there's a knight. Get the knight. Musketeer, kill him. Boom, boom, boom. Come on, P.E.K.K.A. Then we need the giant, come on. There is a lot of screaming in the background. Okay. Baby sister talking to my brother. That's funny. It's very funny. Need this bomber here. I'll turn this up. Okay, musketeer. Come on, get in the giant's way. Jesus. Just kill him already. Come on. P.E.K.K.A. Oh, come on. Why did I... Oh, come on. Go. Need an archer here. Come on, giant. We need the bomber. Bomber to take care of these other guys because the giant doesn't care. Knight just in case. P.E.K.K.A. here. Musketeer, come on. Come on, take care of this guy. We're not allowed to let him take it. Yes! Giant is useless for them. Big giant, come on. Bomber. So we're gonna take down all of his buildings? Say yes, please. Yes, please. Sucker. Yeah, he's completely useless right now. What is he gonna do? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deathmatch. I won, right? Yeah. Another silver chest. Those things are not... They're just too common. Okay. Start unlock. What do you use with gems? Let's see. Can be used to buy gold or to speed up on... Okay, so they're just used for this. Oh, but you could buy gold. What is gold used for, though? Oh. Yeah, we could use that. But I think I'd rather just speed them up. That's for sure. Yeah, because then these give you money, and that sounds fun. And then we'll upgrade these arrows that we never use. Gonna have to start using those. We need the giant to get another level. Another level. He's new. This one? Yes. Bomber. Oh, archers, okay. It's okay. So they do damage per second. Oh my god, 40? It's not that bad. Per second. I think we're gonna have to put in this. They're pretty weak, but they can do a bit of damage. Bit of damage. Level 3. Come on, we gotta get a level 3. Searching for the opponent. Yes, someone. Baby sisters, guys. Come on, giant. Spawn in. We need him more on this side, okay. Pekka, Pekka, Pekka. We need someone to take care of this knight. Archers, come on. Jesus, look at this. No. Oh my god. He's not ready for this. Come on. Come on, bomber, kill him. We're saving it for the giant. Oh, come on. Pekka, you're next. Oh, I don't know. We might need the speedy guys instead of him. I don't know. This tactic's not working. But the distraction with the giant is. Come on, Musketeer. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Boom. Come on. What the heck? Knights are freaking strong. Did not notice that. We have like no damage done to those. 60 seconds left and they already got one down. Come on. Pekka. Oh, we need more defense. Come on, Musketeer. Musketeer, hurry! Jesus! Come on, giant. Yes. Oh, come on. Pekka. When he gets there, he'll come and kill. If we could get 2 down, we're fine. If they get 2 down, we're screwed. I need a knight over there. It's actually pretty good. Bomber. Come on, giant. Are we tied? No, God. No. Oh yes, we gotta win. Musketeer. Bomber. Come on, Pekka. Oh, we need one more of these. Musketeer. Hurry. Giant. He has lower health than me. Pekka. No! Did he win? Oh, he has 100 health more than me. But we're tied. Okay. Phew. We already found a battle. Spooderman. Epic name, bro. We need Giant there, P.E.K.K.A there. Knight. Musketeer, come on. Oh, their defense is down over there. Come on. We don't want our defense down over here. We need a Musketeer. Yes. Okay. And then we need Bomber over there. Crap, they're taking it down. No, we got to do it. Giant. Attack! Stupid Giant. Come on, P.E.K.K.A. Okay. We need the Knight to go over there and finish it off. Yeah, we need the Knight. Okay, come on, Musketeer. Hurry. Oh, they got the slowest attack. Come on! Musketeer, kill him. He's dead. Bomber. Okay. Come on! No! Spooderman, you suck. So sad. -1 trophy, that's sad. So sad. No! We had 60. Let's start training match. Training camp. P.E.K.K.A over there. Oh no. Musketeer. Traded Jonas. Hello. Come on, Bomber. I'm just kidding. Oh my god, Giant's just pushing it. Jesus. We need the other Giant here. Because their defense is low over here. We'll just put in the Giant. He'll go kill there. Oh, we already took down both of their areas there. Watch, we just put this here. That goes kaboom. P.E.K.K.A comes in on this side. You need defenses for both sides. P.E.K.K.A's gonna take down this area. Yes! And then we use the Musketeer over here. We've already won. Bomber to take out more things. Giant come in to finish the rest. Come on, Giant. They sound so funny when they walk. I don't even know if... No, I don't think they're gonna make it. Come on, Bomber. Yes. He did one little thing. Oh, come on, the dragon. What does he do? Archers. Can the Knight hit him from the ground? Oh, he's dead, so... Oh, come on, the Giant's gonna do this last 2 hits. Kaboom! We're one. And we got our trophy back. Yay. Whew, we need that trophy. Trophy special. Oh no, we didn't get the trophy. Darn. Why? Huh. Yeah, we want landscape on. There it is. Over there. Let's get Musketeer to the right. Because they could have defense coming in from there. P.E.K.K.A comes in to replace the Giant. As long as she's... No. P.E.K.K.A's gonna replace her. Come on, P.E.K.K.A. No, he doesn't hit her. Why? Come on, kill the stupid dragon. Yay. But it killed our guy. No, Bomber, get him. The knight is so strong. Why? He's supposed to be stupid. Knight, kill him. Okay, Giant's coming in to get rid of the building over the new kid in town, really. He has the same amount of trophies as I do. Just kidding. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of trophies now. Over there. Giant comes in. Why doesn't the giant attack is the main question. He's a big giant meat shield. Meat shield. Musketeer kills the knight. Oh, come on, why is there another musketeer? P.E.K.K.A. comes in for that musketeer. Dead. P.E.K.K.A. Yes, P.E.K.K.A. GG. We need a bomber here, because the bomber actually does good damage against him. The knight will come in. And the giant comes in to tear apart that building. Arrows kill it. Yay. But they did that. Archers. The stupid archers. Shh. Why are you killing the archers? You're so rude. Come on, P.E.K.K.A. P.E.K.K.A.'s going to kill those guys. This goes in, hits that. The archer's coming to kill the dragon. No, we wait for the knight. I mean the giant, please. How did they just spawn a giant right in my base? That's stupid. Ridiculous. Oh, come on. We're closer to killing their base than us. Yes! P.E.K.K.A. kills the dragon. This kills that. Protect my base. No! It's hard. Stupid. Oh. He used the stupid dragon. Wait, what? How did he... Oh, you got the other one. That sucks. For some reason, we're still get a crown. Yeah. It's all these videos. Peoples. No peoples. Roly-poly. Settings again. Okay. Anyway, guys, that'll be the end of this video. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.